How's it, everyone? And a very happy new year here from Johan and from Theo from Sunset Tribe. And I'm just in the warehouse now and it's back from holidays. And when I returned, I had this wonderful surprise of a Christmas gift from none other than a company called Lone Rider, with a set of adventure bikes and also their adventure tent, which is absolutely brilliant. Another one, I mean, we weren't expecting this, to get sponsorships and gifts from amazing companies like Lone Rider to test. And I need to thank as well Nick Suthers. He's a YouTuber, also does adventure biking, and he's in Australia, in Adelaide. And we started talking and he introduced me to the guys at Lone Rider. They liked our content, and next thing, they sent us products so that we can test it and just put it through the paces. So we've already got an event or a trip planned up in the Lesotho Highlands for next month to go and test this out, providing Theo's knee is going to be fine. But he's been around the block today and he said he's going to put some exercise in over the next few weeks so that he's ready to go to Lesotho. So one of these days we're going to test these Lone Rider bags and the tent, put it through its paces, do an unboxing soon in this month. Stay tuned. Wonderful start to the year.